Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Dawakhana, Gandhinagar, Jammu. An RSS leader and his security guard were killed on Tuesday when a terrorist opened fire at a health center in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar town, prompting authorities to impose curfew and call the army to maintain law and order in the communally sensitive region. Jaish-e-Mohammed commander Nisar Ahmed Tantre, deported from the UAE to India on last Sunday, has disclosed that he knew about the February 14 Pulwama suicide car bombing because the key conspirator Mudassir Khan had asked him to participate in a spectacular attack being planned at the instructions of Jaish-e-Mohammed's leadership in Pakistan. This is the first confirmation from a Jaish-e-Mohammed commander that the Pulwama attack was carried out on the orders of the outfit's leadership and that Khan was the person who executed it. Separatist leader Mirwaiz Umar Farooq on Tuesday appeared before the National Investigation Agency for the second consecutive day for questioning in connection with a case related to funding of terror groups and separatist organizations in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday held Congress responsible for the creation of Pakistan. Addressing a poll rally in Latur district of Maharashtra, Modi also appeared to be treading sensitive ground by asking first-time voters to dedicate their first vote to those who carried out airstrike in Balakot. A 70-year-old man and a girl were killed and 3 others critically injured when their vehicle skidded off the road and fell into a deep gorge in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. The 5 family members were on way to their home in Kishtwar when their car rolled down a hill near Khelani on Batod-Kishtwar National Highway and fell into a 150 feet deep gorge. The fate of 12 candidates, including Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, will be decided by over 16.85 lakh voters of Udhampur in the second phase of the Lok Sabha polls on 18th April. The Udhampur parliamentary constituency is spread over 17 assembly segments in 6 districts: Kishtwar, Doda, Ramban, Riyasi, Udhampur and Kathua. The Hindu festival Chaitra Navratri entered 4th day on Tuesday with the worship of Ma Kushmanda. The Bhavan of Mata Vaishno Devi in Jammu and Kashmir's Katra was decorated with flowers and fruits on this auspicious occasion. Devotees thronged at temple to offer prayers. Chaitra Navratri is being observed from April 6th to 14th. 6 illegal structures were demolished around world-famous Dal Lake in the summer capital Srinagar by Lakes and Waterways Development Authority today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday appeared treading on sensitive ground as he asked first-time voters to dedicate their vote to those who carried out the airstrike in Balakot.
मैं जरा कहना चाहता हूं मेरे फर्स्ट टाइम वोटरों को, क्या आपका पहला वोट पाकिस्तान के बालाकोट में एयर स्ट्राइक करने वाले वीर जवानों के नाम समर्पित हो सकता है क्या? मैं मेरे फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर से कहना चाहता हूं कि आपका पहला वोट पुलवामा में जो वीर शहीद हुए, उन वीर शहीदों के नाम आपका वोट समर्पित हो सकता है क्या?
5 security personnel and a BJP lawmaker were killed on Tuesday after the MLA's car convoy was attacked by Maoists in Dantewada. Police said the carcade of Bhima Mandavi, the MLA of Dantewada constituency, was attacked with IEDs. An SUV was blown off by Maoists in the attack. Razia Sultan from Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, has set an example among women of the valley. Razia is the first female fencing coach working with government and non-government organizations to promote the fencing game in Kashmir Valley. She comes from family of athletes, as her father was the former weightlifter and her brother is a football player. She took up sports as a career along with her studies. Razia did her training in the game of fencing from Patiala, Punjab, and has also won gold medal in national level tournaments. Razia is not only working as a fencing coach, but she is also encouraging women to join the sport.